we not even gonna talk about these braids that's in my head. I can't comb hair, but I enjoy playing in hair and makeup. So Unice allows me to do that with human hair. It is affordable, it is great quality, fast shipping. I absolutely love them. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig, of course, comes in that beautiful, iconic, magnetic pink box with their branding on it. And then when we open it up, the extras that we have, of course, the wig, and we also have some HD wig caps and an edge band. Ooh, Lord. Okay, so this wig is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. It is 24 inches long and it is a Yaki. Y'all know I love these bye-bye knots wigs. Whether you are somebody like me that can't comb hair or somebody that you can comb hair but you need something quick, it does not get any better than these bye-bye knots wigs from Unice. Look at this. I don't know. It's like when I take it out of the box, I don't know. It got that new wig smell. It's just, I just get so excited when I get these units. All right, so this, oh, they also included some bye-bye knots tabs as well. All right, so y'all look at this wig just right out of the pack against my hand. Okay, so you get that 7x5 parting space, right? You get a comb in the back, you get adjustable straps. Yes, I'm missing a nail. You get a drawstring in the back. This is my most favorite part of the wig. Like, this was a game changer for me. I love, love, love that drawstring. Of course, the adjustable straps, you know, that's cool on a unit, but I just prefer the drawstring. Also, their glueless bands on this new cap construction, they're thinner, and I actually prefer that more, the thinner band. You also have that adhesion going around that entire back of the wig to make it lay flat, and a comb as well. These units are the most beginner-friendly human hair wigs that I have ever had, and that is why I review them so much. I love them that much. Okay, very, very pretty. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my head so you can see it right out of the pack. Then I'm gonna run my flat iron through it. I'll give you a 360 and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts. I know I got a lot going on in my background, but I just wanted you guys to be able to see the length of this wig, and it's hot, so I got a box fan blowing down here up under me. This is one of the most beginner-friendly wigs ever. And I find myself saying that every time I review a Bye Bye Knots wig by Unice. That is how lovely they are. So this one is one of their Bye Bye Knots, and it's just a straight, y'all. I've had this in a body wave, I had it in a water wave, I've had it in short, I've had it in blonde, I've had it in burgundies. Like, I just love these wigs, and I love them because they are so easy. This is 24 inches long. I just slightly ran my flat iron through it just to do it. And look at how good that looks for a beginner. That is really good for a beginner, somebody like me. Even though I've been wearing wigs for over 10 years. I just never mastered it. And I've always said, if I'm gonna take the time to invest all this money and do all this to the wig, it needs to be easy. I don't wanna be doing extra work. And Unice is one of those companies that takes away the extra work. Wig comes with everything pre-done to it. All I had to do was run my flat iron through it, and I am thoroughly impressed with this unit, y'all. Like always. As a matter of fact, I have another wig from Unice that I'm gonna review. I'm not sure the order I'm uploading them, but the other one should come next. But it's the same wig, but it's in a kinky, curly texture, and I know I'm going to love that one as well, y'all. Yeah. Happy as always. I definitely can recommend this one. If you look at the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to this exact one. But as always, I encourage you to look around on their site. They're so easy, affordable, and lovely. Talk to me in the comments, tell me what y'all's thoughts are, because as always, I'm in love with this unit from Unice, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.